numbers really big. All our staff will make you laugh, so grab your things, come on, get ready. So won't you come and look around? There's lots to do, but use a gym or a swim. Enjoy the view. Hey, come and eat. The kitchen smells are so sublime. The special spiders like the cockroach eggs turn into slime. And if you want a little entertainment, we got plenty to suggest. The lounge is comfy, the music's funky, and our DJ, he's the best. So won't you come ring our bell and bring your friends as well? There's lots of fun for everyone in the Zombie Hotel.
Excuse me, I was wondering.
This is the 4th time this week?
Yes, I know the plumbing is playing up. It's very, very old. But Jeebies has the matter in hand.
Fix this, Jeebies. See to that. Even a rat wouldn't let himself be walked over like I do. Oops. Sorry. Yes, a good sharp tap with my spanner should do the trick. Oh my, I knew this was a mistake.
Do you think Jeebies has fixed it, dear?
Possibly.
Hello there!
Or possibly not.
Sam, will you help me with my math assignment? Sorry, buddy. Not my strong point either.
Lovely day!
See what you can do, Jeebies. Now, mop the floor, Jeebies.
So with the plumbing broken, does this mean we get to bathe in the swamp?
I'm afraid so. Unless we find an expert plumber.
But we haven't got the money to pay a proper plumber.
Then why don't you have a garage sale to raise some money? Nice thought, Sam, but we haven't got a garage.
Not since Chef had that nasty turn a few days ago.
No, that's not what I mean. A garage sale is what you call it when you get together all the things you don't need and sell them.
Oh, I see. That might not be a bad idea.
Yeah, let's see what we've got. Come on, Mom, Dad. There must be loads of stuff we could sell. Hey, hey!
Anyone there?
Can I help you at all?
I hope so. Looking for a room. This is the Zombie Hotel.
That's right, old boy. Doesn't seem to be anyone here to check you in there. Still, not to worry. I'm sure they won't mind if I do it. Yeah. Name?
Mr. Topper. I'm a hypnoid zombie, you know.
Oh, very good. Well, we'll put you in room number 3. How does that sound?
Fungus, not our workbooks.
Here, a nice fresh brain.
Nice slug and earwax pies. See what you can get for 'em.
Thank you, Chef.
A garage sale? Dear me knew how terribly, terribly common.
But Dame Fedora, the plumbing. We need a plumber to...
I don't. I'm a ghost, dear. We ghosts have no need of water. You're on your own.
Maggot, Fungus, I've brought you my skeleton valet, a homing cannonball, and my gladiator helmet, which makes just a perfect vow.
Really, Colonel? Now look at this horrid mess.
No worries, Dame Fedora. I'll have this cleaned up in a jiffy-spiffy.
Let me help you.
Both of you are interrupting my beauty sleep.
We won't be long.
Slowly, Maggot. Sir William is very ticklish.
Nice move. It wasn't my fault. Oh.
Whose is that?
I don't know, but it'll come in handy for the sale.
Bedroom 33.
Wow! 33? I don't think we've got a 33.
Never mind. I'll find it.
Who was that? Search me.
Here we are. We should get quite a good price for this.
And this. Right. Now, where are the customers? I can't wait to get started.
I think you'd better leave this to us, Colonel. You know what humans are like.
Yeah, one look at you and the customers wouldn't be seen for dust.
Oh, well, if you really think so.
Excuse me. Can anyone direct me to bedroom 33?
New guest, dear?
Not as far as
I checked him in. You weren't around, so,
Hang on. He looks like a hypnoid zombie.
Oh, no!
Hypnoid zombie! Yes, he did mention something like that, yes.
Catastrophe!
Have I botched up?
Just a bit, Colonel. Once a hypnoid zombie settles down, they stay put, fast asleep, for years. And they snore like anything. Oh, hang on, Rictus. I'm coming.
Oh, dear.
Thank you, sir.
There you go, sir.
Thank you, my boy.
Look! My stuff's going like hotcakes.
Mine isn't. I sweated over those pies.
That could be the reason why they don't like them. I've never been keen on the taste of sweat.
Thank you, sir. Uh-oh. Here comes the school principal.
Hello, Mr. Peabody.
Hello, Maggot, Fungus, Samuel. And what have you here that I might be interested in? This looks like just the thing. It's my wife's birthday in a couple of days. She'll like this. Yes, I'll take it.
Thank you, Mr. Peabody.
See you soon, kids.
By Jove, they'll soon have enough money for a plumber, all right. Maybe 2 or 3. Was it something I said?
342
43.
and 44. That's everything.
It's more than enough for a plumber. We did it! I don't know what to say or how to thank you.
A raise would be nice.
I say, Maggot, don't you think it's odd that Dame Fedora isn't here?
She didn't contribute anything. Well, I guess she feels guilty.
It's just not like her.
Enter. Ah, Fungus, it's you. In trouble again?
Yes, sir. Miss Harbottle sent me to see you.
And what have you been up to this time?
Please, sir, I brought my pet to school.
Well, we encourage that, Fungus. And what is your pet? A wee mouse? A little hamster?
No, sir. He's a giant Armenian tree slug called Tyson. And he ate Jimmy Mason's gym shoes.
Ah, I see. Well, Fungus, I shall have to deal with this in a most... No, come, Fungus. It's not as bad as all that. At attention, perhaps, or a stiff letter to your... Fungus? Fungus, are you feeling quite all right?
Yes, sir. I mean, no, sir. I'm not feeling well at all.
We'd better get you to the school first aider right away.
Fungus, are you all right?
He's had a bit of a nasty turn, Maggot. I'm just taking him to see the nurse. I'm sure he'll be fine.
Dame Fedora, in there, do something.
I'm sure he will, sir. Dame Fedora, what are you doing here?
I'm not entirely sure, dear.
But Dame Fedora, you can't be seen here. You'll frighten the children and...
Children? Did you say children? I do so adore scaring the living daylights out of wee, innocent children. Ooh.
Dame Fedora, come back! Oh
I don't understand it. I know I saw that hypnoid zombie.
no! We both did, dear.
I don't suppose you've seen Dame Fedora, have you? Been gone since yesterday afternoon.
No, Colonel, we haven't. We've been too busy searching for that zombie you checked in.
Yes. Sorry about that. Still, no harm done, eh?
Not so far, no.
Now, children, the poem I'm about to read is by the great English romantic poet John Keats. It's called To Autumn. Season of mists and mellow...
What's happening?
Well, I've never known Keats to have that effect on anyone before.
And if I add some of this liquid, you'll notice a very surprising reaction.
Let me out! Oh, shush yourself, Missy.
And she's been scaring everyone. Well, I just can't understand it. How did she get there?
Search me.
The only way it could possibly have happened is if she had given you something for the garage sale, which she wouldn't have done, and that it was sold to someone at the school.
The China dog.
Ah, well, Dame Fedora's like all ghosts. She is quite very attached to her belongings. Literally. If anything leaves her room, she is likely to go with it.
We've got to get that China dog back.
But he bought it as a present for his wife. Dad, can you drive us back to school? Oh!
Can't Chef take you? We still need to find that zombie.
Hello there. Have you seen Dame Fedora? I've been looking for her all day.
She's at our school.
At school?
But not for long. We're gonna get her back.
Then I shall help. If my little Popsy needs rescuing, I'm always at the ready.
It isn't Dame Fedora who needs rescuing. It's the school.
I think you'd better leave it to us, Colonel.
Yeah. One look at that pinhead of yours and Mr. Peabody will have a heart attack.
But, Mrs. Baverstock, I haven't employed any scary teachers. I know the other children are staying away until she's fired, but I don't understand. Hello? Hello? Oh, why me? Mr. Peabody. Hello, Mr. Cartwright. Oh, not you too.
Well, all right. I'll drive you to the school, but make sure the mealworms you promised me are good and fresh.
They will be.
Fear not, my sweet. I'm coming to
Room 33 must be down here somewhere. Is this 33? Didn't notice. Still, there's a bed. Sweet, a wonderful bed.
So we'll sneak into the school, grab hold of the China dog, and we replace it with the one Mom gave us.
Do you think he'll notice the difference?
Hope not. Then we'll sneak out again and everything will...
Get off! Get off! You're on my head!
Dreadfully sorry, old boy. Didn't see you down there.
Colonel, Wilson, what are you doing here?
Chef was shouting at me, so I went to find somewhere peaceful.
What would Dame Fedora think if you rescued her without me?
She'd think, thank heavens, that boring old buffer isn't here.
Oh well, there's no point in turning back now. We're almost there. But for Pete's sake, don't let anyone see you. We've had enough trouble from Dame Fedora as it is.
Any luck?
What?
I said any luck!
I can't hear you! Dame Fedora's snoring too loudly!
Dame Fedora?
Come on! Wake up!
Wake up, Mr. Whoever you are! You can't stay here! This isn't your room! Wake up!
Not a sound, understand?
Just stay here and leave this to us.
Wait, we'll soon have this lock picked.
When you're tired of playing with it, Fungus.
I just don't understand. Must be mass hysteria or something. Maggot? Fungus? What are you doing here?
Mr. Peabody?
You're still at work, sir.
Yes. The parents of almost every single child in this school have rung up to say that their children won't be coming back until I get rid of... all the parents except yours. This wouldn't have anything to do with you two, would it?
Well...
I demand an explanation.
It's rather a long story, but to cut it short, we should never have sold you the pot at the garage sale. You see, it comes with a curse. That's it. It brings ill fortune on anyone who owns it.
That's right, sir. So we've come to take it away, and then everything will be all right again.
And you expect me to believe that? You're in deep, deep trouble.
What on earth is keeping them? They've been in there for ages. Right. I've waited quite long enough. Dame Fedora, where are you? I'm coming to get...
Oh, no, you don't. Maggot and Fungus said we were to stay here. Anything goes wrong, and I don't get my mealworms.
Take your hands off me, you great...
Oh, look what you've done!
I've a good mind to report your behavior to the Board of Governors.
Dame Fedora! The Colonel is here!
It's all right, Mr. Peabody. You're just having a nasty dream.
Thank goodness for that.
Let's get out of here, quickly!
Mom? Dad? What are you doing here? Dame Fedora's not gonna like this one little bit.
But she's not here, is she?
She soon will be.
Oh, back here again. And I was having such fun. I suppose this was your doing, you dreadful children. And what's he doing in my bed? Get out of my bedroom, you horrid little man!
Morning, everyone. Haven't slept like that in ages. Where's the bathroom? Could do with a nice, nice shower.
It's this way, Mr.
Except you won't be able to have a shower. The plumbing's up the spout.
Well, that's no problem. I can fix that for you. I'm a whiz with a wrench, I am.
You are?